Hello friends, today's recipe is a calzone pizza, which is a dish from Naples in Italy. It is a close pizza with fillings like meat, veggies and cheese. The pizza base is folded over on the top. Tomato is not a part of this filling as it is served as a sauce along with the calzone. So let's get rolling. For the pizza base, we use our normal ingredients, the flours, yeast, sugar, salt and oil. We take a cup of lukewarm water. The water should not be too hot. To this we add the sugar. Stir it in. This acts as a food for the yeast. We activate the yeast now. Stir this well without any lumps and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. The mixture will bubble up once the yeast gets activated. We take the flour now, 3 cups. 1 cup is equal to 100 grams. We take a mixture of refined and a whole wheat flour 50-50. To this we add the oil, the salt and stir everything well with a spoon. Add the yeast mixture to this and keep on stirring. Initially the dough will be slightly sticky, but as soon as you keep on mixing, this will all come together. Start kneading the mixture with hand. Kneading is a very important part in bread making or pizza base making. It develops the gluten in the bread, which gives the bread that web-like structure inside. Now we'll transfer this mixture to a flat surface. I have applied some refined flour here and keep kneading. Now we have to use the base of our palm and run the dough in one direction in 45 degrees, once left and then right. We keep on doing this, the left, right, for 6 to 7 minutes in alternate direction. This action is very important as this is what it's called stretching the dough. This will give the web-like structure in the bread. Now shape this into a smooth round and transfer to a bowl. Here I have already applied oil at the base. And now we will smear some oil on the top. Now cover this with either a wet cloth or just put a lid on the top and allow this to rest for 1 hour. This process is called proofing. After 1 hour, this is how our dough will look like. Now we leave this aside and work on our filling. We are doing a chicken calzone today, for which I have taken boneless chicken along with some spices for marination. We are making this in a white sauce, so some ingredients for the white sauce along with some herbs and cheese for the filling. We take the chicken, wash it and cut it into chunks and marinate it with some salt, masala. You can use the tandoori or the meat masala as this has got the red chili as well as the spices, some ginger garlic paste. Squeeze in half a juice of lemon and mix well, marinate, keep aside for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll chop 1 onion fine. We'll heat the oil and add the marinated chicken to this. This has to be done on a high flame. Turn it over and let it cook on other side. This will take you 5 minutes. Remove on a plate and allow it to cool. Now shred this into fine pieces. In the same pan as previous, we add the butter and make the white sauce. First add the onions. Let it get slightly brown. To this we add the flour and stir. Just allow the flour to cook. It should not change color. Add the milk and stir well to ensure that there are no lumps inside. Keep stirring. The sauce will now thicken and give that creamy consistency. We'll add the shredded chicken to the top and mix. The sauce should coat the chicken pieces quite well. We spice it up with a little herbs, some coriander and oregano. You can of course add herbs of your choice. And add cheese to this. I have used 2 cubes of processed cheese. Mix everything well. Our filling is ready. We'll shape the calzones now. We preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Depending on the size you want, you can divide it into large, medium or small. We knock the dough down. This is removing the air in the dough. Divide them into portions. Take one portion, shape it round. Add the filling in the center. And now we will fold it into a crescent or a half moon shape. We'll seal this further by making incisions here with a fork. You can skip this stage and keep it plain. Now our calzone is ready for baking. Make 2 to 3 gashes on the top. This will allow the steam which is formed inside to move. Set it in a tray with a butter paper and brush it with some oil. This will give a nice golden color to our calzones. Put it in the oven to bake at 180 degrees. Takes 15 minutes or till it gets a nice golden crust. Brush it again with butter or oil on the top. We serve this with a pizza sauce or tomato ketchup. Our chicken calzone is ready to serve. I'm sure you like this recipe. Do share your comments and subscribe to my channel, The Moody Foodie. Thank you.